but I did a silent meditation. And today I'm gonna go show you how I start. What do I do before I start my meditation? And because there is a process that I use, which helped me a lot, which helped me connect faster, and it also cleansed the section that I am meditating. And today we're gonna use a mat. I'm gonna use my yoga mat, and I'm also going to use this. This is something. The mat is like $8. You can get that at Target, and you can also get that. I think this is like $9, $8 or $9. So these are not expensive, and we're gonna use these two for me to sit down, and I'm gonna sit on the block. This is called a block, the yoga block. Oh, yeah. So I'm gonna use that, and I'm also going to use a mat. My next video I'm gonna use something else, but that's for another video. So what do I do? What exactly do I do before I start meditating? Today we're gonna start meditating for at least 15 minutes, but there is a process before that, and this is what I'm gonna explain, and then we'll go straight to the meditation. The first thing I do is these. I don't know if I used to do not like incense until I started the spiritual journey, and I know a lot of people who smoke pot, weed, marijuana, they use incense. I don't know, I guess to get rid of the smell, but I only use incense for meditation. And this incense that I use, these 3 incense that I use, and I only use these incense when I'm meditating at the park. But you can use them at your house, it doesn't matter. So what do I do? These are the incense that I find pretty much good for me. And I use the super money. Where is it? I use it, this is for luck, fast luck. And I use Palo Santo. And I also like to use, if I'm not using Palo Santo, I use sage incense. Because sage get rid of negative energies, and as well as the Palo Santo. This is very, very, very good. You can burn that every single time. Palo Santo or sage to get rid of negative energy, even inside your house. And I also use this. This is to attract money. So what do I do with the incense? Since we are in a matrix, and the way the matrix is set up, like this, a triangle, like this, right? And then we just like this, and then that's the triangle. If we put a bar here, straight here, this will create a triangle. So this is what you're gonna use. You're gonna use your incense. You're gonna create a triangle. How do you create a triangle with your incense? You're gonna take one incense, because I usually use 3. You're gonna put one here. You're gonna put one there, and then you put the other one in the back. You make sure that it creates a perfect triangle first. And I also like to use black candles. Black candles is used for protection. Some people use it to do to send negative energy to other people or to whatever. But I know for a fact black candles is a sense of protection. And I use the same thing. I took 3 black candles. I put them here, and then 1 in the back. Or I can put 2 in the back, and then 1 up here to create my triangle. Then I also have this diffuser. This diffuser, I think it was like $10. You can get a diffuser at Marshall or Target, Walmart, where else? TJ Maxx. You can get a diffuser. Just go where they have diffuser. They have the diffuser in the section. They have the diffuser. They also have essential oil. I use essential oil in everything. everything. I use essential oil. I would buy essential oil. I would put it in my hair products. The spray, anything that I spray in my hair, I put rosemary. I put rosemary and sage, and then I also rosemary and sage always for the hair, because rosemary, the rosemary and the sage, it helps cleanse the any money blockages that you have. It helps cleanse that, and you can attract more money into your life. And I also use this in the diffuser. It's Enlighten. Where is it? Right here. Can you guys see this? Come on, camera. Okay, that's frankincense, and it's meditative. You use that for meditation. And I also use Enlighten Blend. It's right here. And those you can get at Whole Foods. So I'm gonna take my Enlighten Blend. I'm gonna put 3 drops. 1, 2. 1 drop is fine because I'm gonna use a lot. But if I'm using this only, I put 3 drops. So I'm gonna put just 2, but the rest I'm gonna put 1 drop. Now we're using the sage. The sage again is used to cleanse negative energy. Any negative energy that's in your space, it will cleanse it. And those rosemary, again, I said it helps when you combine it with sage. It helps attract money. It helps cleanse money blockages. And then the enlightenment, the frankincense, I put that as well. So I'm gonna pretty much plug my diffuser. My plug is far away, so you're not gonna be able to see the diffuser, but it's there. It's still cleansing the space. So let me do this. Let me move this. I don't know if you guys can see this. This is the diffuser here. As you can see, it has that little energy coming out. So that's what's gonna help cleanse the space, your space. I have this in a perfect setup already, but I messed it up. Okay. Okay, guys. I think this is perfect. So we're done with this. We use this sage, whatever. Now we're gonna do something different. We're gonna take our Bible right here. I always have this. My mother